Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down. Just keep scrolling down. Okay, on the down you are going to find the here general management. So you have to click on this general management. So after you have been click on general management, again you have to scroll down. Here you are going to find the reset option. So you have to move on this reset option. After you have been moved on it, you are going to find this feature. So from here you have to click this one, reset network setting, move on it. Then click on reset and here click on reset again. When you click on reset, the problem of Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem and mobile data problem will be solved on your mobile. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.